Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you guys are new here. Hi, my name is Sydney. I film cruelty-free beauty videos 3 times a week. In today's video, I'm going to be updating my project pan. I believe the last time I updated this was like July or June. I'm not the most consistent project pan updater, but I'm really excited to share today's update because I hit a major panning milestone, and by that I mean I hit pan in my first eyeshadow, which is so exciting. But before we hop into the products and kind of the progress that I made, I did want to mention that this series is in collab with my beautiful friend Courtney from Beauty by CLH. Her video and her channel will of course be linked down below, so I really encourage you guys to go check out her channel, see how she did the past couple months, and see what progress we're making together. So without further ado, let's hop into the products. I did want to mention that I have tried to start keeping track of how many uses I'm getting out of each product. So I just keep track of it in my bullet journal. I have a little list of all the products that I've been using throughout the month, and then I kind of just tally up how many times I've tried to use them. This may not be 100% accurate, but I thought it would be kind of interesting just because, I don't know, I thought it would be interesting to see how many uses it took to hit pan on something. So let's start with the one that I'm the most excited about, and that is my e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 palette. This is my Pan That palette for this year. And I've hit pan, you guys, and I've hit pan in a major way. I know I took a video clip of when I hit pan and when I was so excited about it, but I honestly think I accidentally deleted it. If I didn't, I'll insert it here. But if I did, there was some squealing. I was very excited. So here is the palette, you guys. Do you see that shiny pan? I'm so proud of that little pan. I just hit it in the kind of cream shade. I've been using this to set down my lid for every single eye look that I do for months and months now, and I'm finally just hitting pan, so that feels really good. I would really like to hit pan on at least one more shade before the year is up. I'm thinking it's probably most likely going to be one of these two shades. These are oh no, I got lipstick all over my finger. Those are the two that I tend to reach for the most on a daily basis. They're just really easy to kind of build looks around, but I use that palette a total of 12 times this month, which isn't great, isn't fantastic. I feel like my makeup using habits have really changed since school has started. I don't quite have as much time to sit down and play with makeup, so that's really disappointing, but I'm gonna try to incorporate makeup playtime into my routine a little bit more, but that's where we're at with the first item. Unfortunately, that's probably the most progress I've made on any item this month or over the past couple months. Next up is my Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. This one, I don't think I've used it all this month. Honestly, I didn't write down any tallies because I couldn't remember using it at all. I'm just not really reaching for primer these days, mostly because when I do my makeup, I put my moisturizer on like 10 or 15 minutes beforehand, so I feel like my skin is already pretty prepped and ready, so I just really haven't been reaching for this one too much. Yeah, that's kind of all I have to report. I feel like when I squished this down and measured it, it looked like I made a little bit of progress, but that also could have just been like there was air in the tube last time, so maybe I used it a little bit in August and I just didn't record it. Maybe I used it in September and didn't record it, but I definitely haven't been using this super consistently. Next up, we have my Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Blush and Brighten. Oh my goodness, this name is such a tongue twister. It's the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Blush in Tropic Hues. This has been my go-to blush every single day for the majority of this year. And I feel like I'm making some progress, and maybe you guys will be able to tell in the video clips. The dome is starting to round out or kind of flatten, but I'm definitely not like using this blush up anytime soon, and honestly that's okay with me. I just adore this blush. I adore the color payoff. I love the sheen it gives to my cheeks. It's a wonderful blush. So I use this one the most out of any product this month, and I used it 24 times, which is so awesome. I'm so happy about that. Next up, we have my Maybelline Superstay Foundation. This one, you guys, I really didn't use it a whole lot. I think I used it once in September, and I'm not sure about August because I just started counting my uses in September. But I don't know, you guys, I don't enjoy using this foundation anymore. I feel like every time I put it on, my skin just looks cakey and heavy and not natural. I'm so much more into my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation or the Conceal and Hydrate foundation. I think I'm just going to call it quits with this one because I just hate using it every single time I have to reach for it. So I'm going to take this one out of the project pan and declutter it. Okay, this next product, I think I might be able to use it up by next month, which is so exciting, you guys. And that is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. Honestly, I thought this sucker was going to be long gone by now. This is my filming foundation, so most of the time when I'm filming, except for like the past week and a half, I haven't been reaching for this. I do my foundation with this product because I think it looks really nice on camera. It provides really great coverage, but I really don't like it in real life. I think it looks too heavy, but let me just show you guys how much we have left. So this is it screwed all the way down. Here we are screwed up. There's hardly any left in there. And true, I don't use a ton of this product when I apply it to my skin because it's so high coverage, but I'm just making such amazing progress. I'm so excited, you guys. And I use that one a total of 4 times this month, but like I said, I think if I can use it maybe another 5 or 6 times, I think it'll be gone by next month, which is so exciting. Next product I want to talk about is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is another one that I've really been slacking on. I put it on today if that makes it better. But this one, I only recorded using it 1 time, not including today, for September. Well, it's not September anymore, duh, so that wouldn't count. But this one, I don't know, you guys. I've become very picky with my concealers. I feel like I'm struggling more now with creasing than I ever have before. And I feel like this one just creases a little bit too much on me, and I think it doesn't wear quite as well as some of the other concealers that I have in my collection. So I haven't really wanted to reach for this, but I'm really trying to reach for this when I'm just filming a video and I don't have to wear my makeup for a long time. So hopefully I'll be able to use this up in the next month or two too. I did make a tiny little bit of progress, but there's hardly any product left in this. So honestly, if it's not done after next month, I might just call it done. And finally, we have my Flower Beauty Blush Balm. You guys, I could not put this sucker down over the summer, but kind of since starting school and starting my new job, I have to get up a lot earlier, so I have like hardly any time in the morning to do my makeup, and I feel like this is just another extra step that I don't quite have time for in the morning. So I only used this one a total of 9 times this month. I do still really enjoy using this product, and I do feel like I saw a little bit of progress. Honestly, it could have been that my mark got wiped away, but I feel like when I was measuring the progress, I saw it quite a bit. So that's really exciting because I really want to try some new cream blushes. Cosmetics is releasing a beautiful holiday set with some of their serum blushes, and I'm like, I may have to buy that, but I don't really want to get too many cream blushes in my collection, so I'd be happy to move this one out before I bring another one in. So that's going to wrap this update up, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to go check out Courtney's video. I'm so excited to see what kind of progress she's been making. While we've both been on low buys, she's been on a total no buy. So I'm really excited to see if that's kind of helped her with her progress, because I have been buying some products. I've started a pretty strict budget series on my channel, so I'll leave the videos that I've done in that series so far down below if you guys are interested in that. Even though I feel like I've been buying things, I feel like I reach for the same products over and over on an everyday basis just because in the morning I don't have time to goof around. So I'm excited to see how different our progress will be. Oh, before you guys go, don't forget to let me know how you guys are doing with your project pan this year. Are you excited? Are you still feeling motivated? My motivation is dwindling once again. I feel like I go through stages, but I have so many ideas for how I can kind of make project panning better for myself next year. I'm thinking of doing like an entire get ready with me video on that, kind of discussing that and getting maybe some of your feedback on that as well. But that's going to wrap it up today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!